Alright, now we're going to do the second digital electronics problem. And this is just looking for the Boolean expression for this graph. So we're going to go gate by gate. As always, this gate is a XOR symbol, so it's A XOR B. The next gate is a not XOR, and so that's going to be B XOR C with a not bar on top. And then these two are connected by a NAND gate. So this full expression is going to be the NANDed expression of those two. So written out, it is A XOR B times not B XOR C. All of that knotted. And the problem says do not simplify, so always make sure you read the problem very carefully. If you simplified, you would not only get the wrong answer, but be doing a lot of extra work and wasting your time to do and check the other problems. So this is your final answer, and that's it.